clouds in space. Not the food on your table, or your bed, Lydia, or your bed, in the stable, or your stable words. Not the phone speaking, or the cry, Lydia, or the girl that is singing with the long black hair. Not the open weeping or the love, just close or the love I'm bleeding as I try to let go. Not the ring, not the beginning or the crowd, not the winning or the bad, not the end nor the real, nor the heat nor the fire. Not the meat on the top, your smile, tattoo, or your shimmer God, or the weather of the Jew.